Hey guys, just wanted to make a video and show you some new AN lines that I got and give you a little rundown on how to build them. I got these from Raceflux. They come with a guide on how to do it, but I figured I would just show you how I did it. And I got all this from Raceflux. The cool thing about these guys is the more you order, the bigger discount you get. So I think it's, if you order over $200, you get 30% off. So it's a pretty good deal. And so far, quality looks to be pretty good. I also ordered this heat shielding. This stuff's good for if you're going to run your lines like around anything hot, obviously like the exhaust or anything like that. So, and then I got these clamps just to keep the lines from rubbing against each other, like where it goes from my oil cooler back to the filter relocation. They kind of run together, so thought that would be a clean look, better than like P clamps or something. So yeah, let me show you how to do it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is measure your distances. So like, here's my oil cooler. So what I did, because I already built these lines, was I took a string from your fitting, and then I ran the string along, through and down. I don't know if you can see it. Down to there, to the filter relocation. And then the other one goes to the block. And then I just took my string and measured it against my length of hose. And then you're going to want to cut it. In the instructions here, they tell you you should wrap it with some tape so it doesn't fray, and then you can use bolt cutters, hacksaw, or cut-off wheel. I used a cut-off wheel because that's what I had. Alright, so I got the hose cut to length. The next thing you're going to want to do, if you have this style, there's push lock and then there's this swivel style, is unthread the bottom portion of it, and then you're going to want to thread it onto the hose, and it's reverse thread. So when you thread it onto the hose, it's the same, it's left hand, like you're loosening something. And you're going to want to go until the hose gets all the way to the end. If you look down it, you'll be able to see that the hose is going up it. And you go to the end. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to lube the inside so that this piece can slide into the rubber of this piece. So by using some oil or lube, it'll help the process go. So then I'm using a vise with protection so I don't ding up the AN. And I hold the bottom piece, and you're going to shove the top piece in and then just thread it in. And this is 22 millimeter. And you're going to turn it until it's almost all the way seated. So I'm going to do that right now. Here you go. That's what it'll look like when you're done. The nice thing about these is they can swivel around in the line without moving the line. And yeah, there's your finished product. There you go, focus. They say 0.030 is the maximum. 0.030 inches is the max distance you want. Try to get it all the way seated down if you can. And that's it. Your hose is built. I did one end on these ones that I heat sleeved. I did one end and then I put the heat sleeve on, and then I built the other end because obviously you can't really get it over the 90. So yeah, that's how you build an AN line.